How to edit a maintenance allocation duration on PMS Calendar page. Hello Softinn PMS users. From the PMS Calendar page, you can edit a maintenance allocation duration by just dragging the head or tail of an allocation bar. Let's check out this video to learn more about this. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. To go to the calendar page, click on the calendar. Scenario: imagine that the 2 bedrooms apartment, TBA001 has been blocked for aircon maintenance. However, due to no available spare parts to fix the aircon, the maintenance work has to be extended for another day. Well, to extend the maintenance allocation for another day, you could just drag the tail of the allocation bar until 23rd May. Then, the Allocation Editor pop-up box will appear. On this pop-up window, you will be seeing the new allocation duration. Check it, if not, edit the allocation time as you want, and then click on the Save Changes button. Now, with just a few clicks, you are able to edit a maintenance allocation duration easily in PMS Calendar page.
Hi, thank you for watching. My name is Ishadri bin Hamidi. I'm from Product Department and my role in Softinn is a junior software developer. Thank you.